when you're working with the audio, I think most people know how to use a compressor. You know, if the levels are too high, that'll kind of allow you to bring it down. You know, especially instead of moving your volume levels around. So that would just be a single compressor. But in this case, it's more of like a limiter. But sometimes you have issues where your volume isn't loud enough, but it's also too dynamic. In that case, you need to kind of compress the audio and then also limit it. So if I just go through a standard clip for that, here we have the toasts, and the levels themselves, they're pretty quiet. So if I put in my first compressor, I'm raising it a decent level. You can see there are more compression type settings. Bring that up just a little bit, and
very comfortable athlete. He was just taller, faster, bigger, overall more of an athlete. And
let me just bring this one up a little bit.
So it was good.
So you can see your first compressor is bringing the levels up. Your second compressor is basically taking everything that's at -12, and it's going to limit it. It's going to make sure that at that level that it's not going to get beyond that point. So
the amount of humiliating losses that I took from ages 3 to now is something that I will never ever.
You can see if I turn that off.
Thank you for that, Ryan.
It's definitely trying to keep it within that range, and it's within this attack, so it's a slow attack, slow release. It's just basically limiting to that level.